everybody, Daryl Hanna here with the Bachelor Hanna Group. Today I'm here with Ryan Bringle with Transitions. He does a lot of cool window treatment stuff, man. There's just so much that I can't wait to share with you guys. But he actually had this project going on today down here on the strips. Tell us a little bit about it.
So today we had this client here at I Love Sugar, and they were running into a problem where the clients were sitting here and they were being killed by the sun, the rays, and also the bar ray. The death ray, yes. But also the sun was coming in and hitting this floor right here and blinding the bartenders, so they were uncomfortable when they were working. So we put up a 3% solar screen so it'll maintain the view to the strip but block all the UV rays.
And you know what, guys? You can do this in your house too. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to come shoot this today, because obviously it's just cool to be down here on the strip inside the sugar place, which I love sugar. You love sugar.
I love sugar too.
But man, you can put this into your house. And man, you could put it on your backyard patios so that if you're getting that death ray from the sun in your backyard, you can install this on your backyard patios or your windows or anything, right?
Absolutely. One of the things that's been the most popular lately is it's a product made by the same manufacturer that we just installed today. It's called a zit shade. And a zit shade is a large exterior shade that would mount to your covered patio, which would allow for wind blockage, UV blockage. But basically, It allows you to be able to use your patio year round. So in the colder time, you drop that shade, you can put a heater on. And in the summertime, you drop it, keeps the heat in, keeps the rays out, put a little bit of misters in there, and it just makes your outdoor living a different.
I never thought of it like being a wind block. So if we get a lot of wind in Las Vegas,
absolutely.
So you can like cut out the sun, cut out the wind. You can keep the heat in the winter. Like, pretty cool. And we're going to show you some examples of that.
Yeah, and the shades also, they handle winds up to about 50 miles an hour, which you probably would never be sitting outside with a 50-mile-an-hour wind.
Right.
But if there is a wind and you still want to maintain, an experience outside, it'll allow you to do that without a bumpy place.
We're going to see a lot more of this guy. We're going to shoot some video at his showroom. We're going to go out on site to shoot some of his big houses. It's going to be cool.